Sorry, I'm going to cover it because of privacy. Now, as I click on that link, let me say that link is your own link now. Your own link. Now I come here. I've already copied out the number I want to use. Are you hearing me? I've copied out the number I want to use. I will come here, tap and type that number. I will remove the first zero. Are you seeing it? I will remove the first zero. Now I will have to do what? Put the number here. Now I will not put. Sorry, I wanted to use your own this thing, but I've already finished registering. You understand? Registering you. I forgot to screen record, so I now use another person. I just want to register one number like that, just to show you an example. Okay. So let me put password. I want to put password. Let me say the password of this person is Emeka hash 11. Let me say Emeka hash 11 is the password I want to use. Or let me say this Emeka hash 11. Now I see this invitation code. This invitation code is that. Make sure it's your invitation code you are sending to anybody you're inviting. Do you understand? Make sure it's the invitation code you are sending to them, so that you will get your referral bonus and you get your spins. Okay. Now, so this your invitation code is always static. If it's not there, please let the person go back and click the link. Let the person make sure that your invitation code is showing. This one is another person invitation code. Okay. So I'm just using it for example. Now we'll type in this verification code. You see the verification code here. You type 2, 7, 5 and 6. Then I'll click on read and agree. Then I will register. Are you seeing it? I've registered this person. Now I don't want to save it. If I want to save it for easy access, you understand? If I want to save it for easy access, I'll just save it here, so that anytime I log in, you understand, it will display. I don't want to save it. So this is how it goes. All right, this is how it goes. Now I can log out. Okay, I can log out from this particular account. Now since I don't have your own saved now, so let us recharge. I want to recharge the account, so I have to go back and copy that your phone number, because I didn't save it in my phone, because you really want to be doing it by yourself. Okay. So okay, Madam Peace. Now I will come here, copy your phone number and your password. Are you seeing it? See how to access this thing. For example, you want to go and access that your link again. That your account. You want to access your account now. It's simple. Just come here, click on the link. You click on the link, it will open like this, as if you want to register a new person. As if you want to register a new person. You can see, as if you want to register a new person. So what you will do is come here. This is when you want to register a new person now. Just immediately click on the link. Make sure that the referral code, the invitation code, is your own. Let the person screenshot and send to you. If not, all your effort of inviting the person and in future earnings of the person is just a waste. So we don't want to waste anything. Do you understand? We don't want to waste anything. But then the person puts his or her phone number. If you want to do it for the person, it's simple. Put the person phone number, just like as I asked you to send now. Put the person phone number. The password is set. The password. Repeat the password again. You can see alphanumeric, meaning you have to put the person name and any password the person want to use should be alphabetical letter and number, just like you sent to me. It's no problem. If you better want to add characters too, like all this hash or star, no problem, it's still allowed. So the next thing is you now write down this verification code, which is 4834. You copy it here, 4834. Are you seeing it? You click on this. I have read. So right now we have already registered your account. Let us log into your account now. So I want to log into your account. If it was saved, as I tap like this, I'll just tap on any of this number. But since it's not saved, I'm not tapping on any number. I'll have to copy your account, your phone number here, the phone number you use to register, and type your password. Now I want us to go and recharge. You can see I don't want to save it in my bank, in my account. Okay, so what are we now going to do now? What we are going to do is that you will come here. Okay, what you're going to do, see, this is 6:59. You will be here, signal will be sent. As I'm doing this screen record, you see signal will be sent of what we are going to trade tonight. Okay, now so let's go. So now we want to recharge. Now see, are you seeing how this is your phone number, right? They're using registry. This is your invitation code. So when you're inviting somebody, I ask the person, is the thing showing 494799136? If it's not showing like that, let the person go and review it again. Click on that your link again. Make sure that your invitation link is showing before the person register, because it's one number. They cannot change it again. Anything you put there, it's final. Okay. So let me see. Have you sent your bank?
Oh my god.
Shava.
Yeah.
Okay, don't push. Good evening. This girl. So let's see this girl.
Reconciling, no. Hey.
Oh God, sorry.
Reconciling.
Okay, sorry. Let me just finish recording. All right. Yes, I'm recording something for somebody. Are you okay? I want to give me some. Give me. Because I don't eat it. What's this? Is it a con?
Yes, take.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So let me go and set your bank now. I'll. Okay. This is your bank account, Abi. OPay. Okay. See that your phone number. All right. So I'll click on the bank. You see this is your invite. It's your invite link. This is where you get your invite link. I see your invite link, your invitation link. When you copy it, go and paste it on your WhatsApp to be easy, so that it will be easier to send to people.
You not press record.
Okay, it's recording. They have sent signal, so it's recording here. So you click on this copy invitation code link and paste it on your WhatsApp for easy sending. Thank you. So the next thing you will do is to let me go back to your account. Let me go back to your account. See this GO means go lottery. Like go and play your lottery. If you have invited somebody now, you see here, you just click on that thing. You see. She said, do you know what she said? She said,
Antinas, I'll break this thing.
yes, break it. Break it. But don't wound yourself. I'm sorry, yeah, sorry. Sorry, yeah. So sorry. That is painful. If you had referred somebody, you will see remaining. You will see lottery you will play. If you refer one person, you will have one lottery to play. You can win anything here. If you have luck, you can win 1 million. So now let's go. You see this place is bank, so let's fix your bank account. I see how to see what I click. I click on bank. So you see this plus, they say bind bank card. So click on plus to bind it. They're asking you, do you want to collect it in Nigerian currency or you want to collect it in as digital currency, which is crypto. So let's take it for Nigerian bank. Name of card holder. They're asking you bank name. Did you hear me? This is your bank name. So this is how you do for someone that you want to register to. Recharge. To recharge this thing is simple, but you have to be careful. Just click on recharge. Since you want to do 10,000, click on 10,000. Please. You can see the account that is here is 30,000, 50,000, 200,000, or 10,000, 500,000, 1 million. If you want to top up, it's simple. Top up. Please, yeah. Be careful, okay? So you can use pay 1, pay 2, pay 3, pay 4. It's the same thing. Now I was using pay 1. Pay 1 became very difficult for me to put in money. So now I'm using pay 2 now. Let's try pay 2, okay? So you will click on go pay. I've already choose the amount I want to recharge, 10,000. For example, when I want to recharge 20,000 naira, you will do it. This process you will do it twice. Don't come and put 20,000 when it's 10,000 that is here. Are you hearing me? If not, you will lose your money, or that person will lose money. So just click on go 10,000 because I want to put in 10,000. and I click on pay 2 because pay 2 is always easier for me. Then I will click on go pay. Then when I click on go pay, they are started trading already. It's already 7. I will confirm. As I confirm now, okay, see, are you seeing this pay 2? See what they are bringing? I've never used this pattern before. Since this one is new to me, but it's simple, we read the instructions. Say, please ensure you transfer the exact amounts to avoid failed transaction, right? A field is dotted when with the refund for inaccurate transfer. They won't say go to the refund. This is a one-time account number for this payment. Okay, so let me try this one. I've not seen this process before, but I know it's there. Shaba, please stop. So I will come here. I will copy this. You see this? I have paid. I must come and click it when I've made the payment. Let me copy the account number. I will go here and
This channel they work again.
it's working for some.
This thing won't work. 44 since.
Oh! I thought the thing was funny. So I'll come here. Okay. I'll put my password, but I'll be covering it for privacy sake. You know that. Okay. I want to log my account. I beat me. I want to, since that number I copied, I will come here and paste it. Okay. Then let me go back and check the bank. What bank? OPay. OPay. Let me see where OPay will allow. I see Zip Wave Limited. Let me check whether it's the same name. Zip Wave Limited. So it is. And it's 10,000. I've clicked Abi. I'm going to put 10,000 naira. You see 10,000 naira. Are you seeing it? They did not put anything like narration. There's no other instruction for narration. You can see there's no space for narration. So I'll just go forward. Since it's correct, I'll put in my PIN. You can see I've done the payment. It's successful. You can see it's successful, right? So I will come back here to click I have paid. You can see I have paid. Submitted successfully. Enugu submitted successfully. Sorry, submitted was successfully. So that is it. So you must click that I have paid. So since it's submitted successfully, I will wait to receive the alert. Okay, I think the money I've drawn. That's why this is the contract. I see the contract. They say, welcome to Aurora Exchange. You have become an official Aurora member and successfully activated the 365-day profit plan. You have also unlocked the following premium privileges and rewards. You have also, daily profit plan. Set your alarm for signals, 7 p.m. and you can read it. You're on a stomach. Yeah? No more vitamin C again. Why are you being so strong like this? Hey, why are you laughing? Why did you laugh?
Yes.
Why did you laugh? You're saying yes. I see you're becoming very strong and you're there. Come and confirm. I've confirmed. I've not confirmed before. Okay. All right. You can see your money have reflected. Now let us trade.
Sorry, sir.
Let us trade.
I ran out of airtime.
Let us trade. All right. So I will go back here to trade. Good evening.
Did you have cicatrine powder?
No.
Ghost bandage.
Yes.
Plaster.
Did I say yes for ghost bandage? It's finished.
And she was telling me that
It's really the crepe bandage
I
that we
should
have.
send the application stuff I need so I should give it to
Want to
the
lick paste. Now, let us trade. We have already put in the money. You can see the 10,000 have reflected. Big. Shh. So let me click here so that we go and know what that's this thing. And I want to access their Telegram. My bread, and I will beat you.
Bread.
Keep it back.
Bread.
I will beat you today.
Let me guys.
Okay, Ada. They are trading Ada. You can see today is day 25th, right? They are trading on Ada. The network is bad. Ada. So see the symbol before you go and do it. The symbol here is showing Ada. Don't make mistake. People are making mistake. They will just waste that day. They will not make money that day. Imagine you're earning 30,000. Like, go make mistake. Go click on that thing. Lawrence, you wait now. Abba. So just come click Ada. I want to trade for you so that I will send it to you. Now I'm going back to your page. This how to access all these things. It's just simple. Let us trade. All right. So trading now. Trading now. Just click on this market. Are you seeing the market? You click. Are you seeing this Ada? Click on Ada. And you see this 4,000, 10,000, 50,000. That no concern you. You see Ada. Make sure it's correct. You see this all. Let it always be on all. You see this buy. Click on buy. You see this other pay. Click on it. My sister, you have traded for the day. So bless. I wanted to tell you the dream or dreams. I'm sorry. I wanted to finish this. Let me send it to the girl.